Hello and welcome to another ARM software developer breakdown. My name is Robert Wolf, and this is the last video in this demo series with Angel Rivera, developer advocate at CircleCI. If you missed any of the previous parts to this series, cruise on down to the description and find the part that you're on. Okay, in this series with Angel, he introduced us to the CircleCI ARM-based offering and talked to us about why this is important for developers. He then introduced us to his demo on CI/CD pipelines with ARM resource classes, covered the prerequisites, set up the project through CircleCI, implemented ARM compute with the config YAML file, and then deployed it all using ARM Elastic Container Services. Angel, are there any other tips and tricks and or resources you think would be valuable for developers using CircleCI for CI/CD?
Yeah, so there's tons of tips and tricks, but I think the ones I'll focus in on are, if you're interested in learning, how to build more comprehensive pipelines or gaining a further understanding of CI/CD pipelines, continuous delivery, CircleCI's blog site has tons and tons of content there. I contribute quite a bit of content to try to help developers, ease their way into learning about and implementing continuous delivery pipelines within their code bases. Also, if you're interested in communicating with me and my team, you can do that multiple ways. We have a CircleCI Discuss site that enables folks to communicate with the community directly. So if you're having issues with something, you can find myself there. But there's other community members that help each other out. So just brush up on all things CircleCI and seek help when you need it. We're here for you.
Well, Angel, it's been a lot of fun doing this with you. And on behalf of the ARM developer community, thank you so much for spending your time with us. Is there anything else you'd like to add before we close out this series?
Yeah, no. So I just wanted to thank you for the opportunity to share my knowledge of ARM and CircleCI's capabilities for ARM development and CI/CD pipelines. If you want to reach out to me about any of this, I'm super open to talking or chatting with people. The best way to get a hold of me is on Twitter. So if you want to hit me up, my handle is @punkdata. I'm open to any and all conversations. Again, if you're having issues, you can reach out. I can connect. If I can't help you solve your problem, I can connect you with folks on my team that more than likely can help. We have a Discord server. So if you want to reach out to us, the CircleCI Discord server is also an option, right? So please feel free to reach out. And one final thing, CircleCI is always hiring. So if continuous delivery and ARM executors or resource classes and infrastructure as code and DevOps is something that you're super passionate about and want to, build a career in, hit me up and let's see if we can match you up with an open vacancy. We are hiring. Thank you so much.
Okay, well, that wraps it all up here for us. Thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget to like this video, follow our channel, and we look forward to seeing you all in the next ARM software developer breakdown.